Have you ever imagined bringing your own story to life? Maybe a bedtime story for kids, a fun adventure with characters you have always dreamed of, or even a personal book you would love to share with the world. The amazing thing is you no longer need a professional or illustrator to make it happen. With this, you can open your YouTube channel, even publish your books on Amazon KDP. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful, unique storybook using Gemini AI. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's dive in. Go to your Chrome browser, click on it, then type Gemini.ai, or you can just type Gemini. Then you can select the first one, but the first one is an app. You can install it on your phone or your anyone that you want, but you can just scroll up, then you see Gemini, Google Gemini, which is the one I used. Then once it opens, you would see Storybook there. So that Storybook, that is what we're going to be using to write the story. So you click on it and it opens up. Once the storybook opens up, you will see the story that they already have. In case you don't have any story, then you'll see the one that you've already generated in case you've used the Gemini Storybook app before. Then go up and paste your prompts. This exam prompt will be on the description of this video. Now, in the prompt, I was specific the number of pages, the name of the author, the name of the character, how many pages, and the age I wanted to read the story, and the end story, the lesson I wanted the children to gain from it. Then you click on go, then the story starts generating to generate both pictures and even voice. That's the good thing about now the story is generated. You will see Maya the Brave Squirrel by Mobek Media. So beautiful and colorful. Now when you click on it, you would see one side is the picture, one side is the story, just like that, and you will see that it generated the 12 pages I wanted it to generate, and it was age appropriate, the age I wanted uh, the AI to generate the book for. Now listen, if you want, you can click so that now click on listen to
Maya the
listen the
Brave
story.
Squirrel. Deep in whispering woods lived a little squirrel named Maya. She was known for her bright, bushy tail and her quick, nimble paws. Maya loved to explore, but sometimes new adventures made her a little nervous. Still, she always tried to be brave. One sunny morning, Maya heard a tiny, sad chirp coming from the forest floor. It sounded like someone needed help. She scampered down the tree, her heart thumping like a drum. There, huddled under a big fern, was a small, fluffy bird. The little bird, Pip, had fallen from her
Another
neck.
thing you can do is to change the voice. Now just go to that listen the side where I clicked, click on it, then put lower pitch. The voice changes.
Don't worry, little one, Maya squeaked gently. We'll get you back to your family, I promise. Maya
Isn't this
carefully guided
amazing?
Pip onto
You
her
can use
back.
it to start your
Then,
own YouTube
slowly
channel. You
and
can even
steadily, she
create
began to
this
climb
for
the
your
giant oak
Amazon
tree.
KDP. Is
Up, up, up
another
they
source of
went,
income
past
for
busy
people
ants and
that
sleepy
want a
butterflies.
second source of
Maya held on
income.
tight,
This
her
is
little paws
amazing
gripping the
and
bark.
beautiful. Now you can now go and click on share and share your link to your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your X, your Reddit, anywhere you want. You can even print it out, connect your printer to your device and print it out. Don't forget to like this video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.